Late evening of Sunday, 14th day of June 2026 is today. Look at this report from Vanguard News. It has circulated, and not only Vanguard News, a lot of newspapers has published it as well. And what is in the news? Fulani settlers abandon southern communities, cite ethnic profiling. And it reads that many Fulani settlers are abandoning southern Nigerian communities due to alleged ethnic profiling and rising insecurity. And then why Fulani settlers are relocating. And I took time to read what so many newspapers are reporting. It is rubbish. I have warned that all these newspapers that are powerful, that have what it takes to do investigation, to always do your investigation and be independent, so that you'll be able to report the truth. Like, as powerful as these news medias are, they don't have independent voice. What you hear, you copy, you paste. What you hear, you copy, you paste. Now, day before yesterday, I published this video. This is between AZ and Enla in an church in the Federal Constituency, Delta North in Delta State, Nigeria. Can you tell me that people who came to live inside the forest, they cleared the forest? Look at the way they cleared the forest. They came here. They are from here with their families living here. Some guns were discovered here. From here, they were launching attacks into the villages, launching attack in nearby villages. Is this kind of settlement you people are talking about? Coming to terrorize people? So stay with me in this video. I'm going to tell you what is actually going on. Now, look at it. Okay, I have, 19. I have the record of 19 communities here, from Oyo, down to Edo, down to Abia, down to Enugu. 17 communities, not state, to communities. These communities are the communities I've recorded that are in the southern part of Nigeria, who are now combing their bushes. You know what it means to comb a bush? The security operatives, particularly the vigilante groups, they are now entering into the forest. They are now using both dogs and juju to search for the bandits. If they catch you, they kill you. So these terrorists are afraid. They are relocating back to the middle belt, not to the north. Some of them are relocating back to the middle belt. But do not be deceived. That is not to say that these people are free, like they have free all themselves. No. These people are so strategic. They are in so many places. Only few that are living, because these communities are doing what? Combing their bushes. I have the names of the communities, what they have done, information, some video clips. I've told you people before, when it comes to these things, I don't bring everything to the social media. And I have my personal reasons why I don't do that. So, what they are reporting now is that the Fulani settlers are abandoning southern communities because of ethnic profiling. That is rubbish. It has nothing to do with ethnic profiling. If you are living in my bushes, you have gone there. We discover gone there. In fact, the one in AZ, between AZ and Enla, in Delta State that I'm telling you, today as I speak to you, the security operatives stormed there as well. Guess what? They met their families, their wives, their children. No, this is not the kind of life we want to live. They must live. They must live. By fire, by force, they must live. When we are done sensitizing the people who are worthy to live with people will live with people. The people who are not worthy to live with people will be sent out. And if you come with gun, you came to terrorize the people, you are there to kidnap, you will be killed, and nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. So, if, like, let me give you an example. In a Federal constituency where I came from, particularly in Agbo, there is one quarter they call Hausa Market. In Agbo there, after Rogodo River. In Hausa Market there, Hausa people have been there for decades, living peacefully with people. Living peacefully with people who owns the community, like without problem. But as I speak to you now, there are some Fulanis that have infiltrated that Hausa Market. You understand? Now, everything that is happening there is what we know. People who visited there last 2 weeks, for me, gave me, in fact, everything that they saw there. Both the videos and everything. You will understand what is actually going on there. So what we are trying to say is that people who want to live with the people, you must be subject and respect the laws of the land. I have friends, I have brothers who are living in Kano. Like anything that concerns Sharia law, they said it is only for the Muslims. They lie. People who are not Muslims who are living in Kano, they don't mess around, violating your laws, violating the laws of the land. They don't live in the bushes. They did not come there with guns. So, what is wrong with this report is that they are saying, because they are saying that Fulanis are terrorists, if you come to my village with gun, you live in the bush and you are kidnapping people. So as you say that you are my savior, that is rubbish. So now let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. This video you're about to watch happened in Abia State, where the people were combing the forest. They were moving from forest to forest, capturing these terrorists in the forest with guns. They were moving with their own guns and they were having juju. Take it listen.
I'm sorry. About no be mafia. I'm talking the bandit. Do toy from Abia me. I thought to have your wife some kind. Yeah. About nobody who coffee. Movie shake a heap and a no is a man or tomorrow. Me young, me cake. Bands off ya. So I am going to find somebody junior here, boys. Niggas no boom mafia. And no at your bands are go off ya. You no one of the Gapano name who's a Melu. Mime water. Bands so the band of this song we shake her. The meat tender. So I'm and down when like a panuba. I'm poor about it. And I said, Papa, we both go where and we are quite a Pocquaria Junction. So, oh, many melu. They got one on them, Hogara. They got me Fusiaga, they got no Fushi, feel like Fusiaga. So, I ain't that Jamola. Wonderful Patrick. I found Patrick. I Patrick was on. I like to know behind you. Wajam Catawak Basson. Okay. Wow. Long was. I got one. Welcome. Most aware now. Oh, man, you was from Bansa. I see. So, how many Melu? We are fighting for our rights, our community, and for Abia State, as long as it Ndibo is concerned. So, I have been saying, Fanga, Abia Choto and don't have your Choto on young. Waga, answer one. One will carry a may for one name, so I am not going to get over. So, I have been fine of Guana. I'm going to Guananibo.
This is just an example I'm giving to you. The reason why I show you this video is because this video is in the public domain. Okay? No matter what you are doing in your villages, get out of social media. There is a reason why. Get out of social media. Once you are in the social media, you begin to announce yourself, doing all sort of things. Before you know, they will send the military to your village. Before you know, they will start ambushing your vigilante group. When the military come, the military might not understand what the villagers are facing. They might not cooperate with the vigilante group. A lot of things may go wrong. So keep whatever you are doing as a vigilante group out of social media. Yes. Whenever attack happens, we report it. But so many times when the people defeat the terrorists, sometimes we don't report it. And there is a reason why we don't do that. This is because people will misunderstand it. People will frame it that you are taking us into your hand, a vigilante group, that is exchanging gun with terrorists, and vigilante group kill terrorists. They will tell you that they will begin to quote laws for you, protecting the terrorists. This is what we have been facing since. So anybody who is coming into our communities, if you are not coming to live or to obey our laws, you should get ready for the opposite of it. However, in so many places, I am repeating this for the second time, I do hear about cultists. Cultists, they are fighting. What is actually the purpose of a cult group that can't even reason and understand that killing each other, killing ourselves is not what we're supposed to be doing? Why our bushes have been left sage? Like when your bushes have been surrounded, you are there fighting each other. You see why I talk about black mentality, black man mentality? It's just about this. And it's so unfortunate. Anyway, don't forget that if you have been contacted by a kidnapper, you have been kidnapped, kidnapper used a number to demand a ransom from you, we need the numbers that these terrorists are using. So whoever has it, please kindly send it to me. You can see my WhatsApp group, my WhatsApp number or email on my description section of this channel, not this video, on this channel or my bio. So when you get there, you send it to me through WhatsApp or email, and I will really appreciate that.
Nobody wait there. Nobody wait there. Where we go message?
No. Can't even contact them or not. I don't even have their contact. I don't even know that this place is as big as this. Ah. This is a community. Oh my God. Hey, bro. Mba now. This is complete community. This is entire Fulani community in this place. Yeah. Wow. This. How come we don't have the knowledge of this? Oh my God. Can you imagine the entire Fulani community? Oh my God. How do they ensure their security? Nimofiani. Hi, Kati. How are you?